welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my husband, Matt.
That's me.
Isn't he cute? Most of you know we got married in October and now we're married AF. And we had a request to do an updated house/apartment tour from our dear friend Lydia. So Lydia, if you're watching this, this is for you. Thank you. But I thought since so much of this channel is centered around affordability, excuse you, I would teach you guys how we put together our apartment on a budget. Not all of our apartment is budget. We have splurged here and there, but I think in general we're pretty good about getting good deals on the key pieces that we're investing in and getting the cheaper ones for an even better price. So I'm going to share all those tips with you and we're going to show you our very first abode together. So we'll start in here with the bedroom, and this is the room that we redid the most recently, I guess. I had already been living in this apartment and Matt actually moved in with me, and so a lot of the stuff that I had was very pink and very girly.
Looks nice though.
He was a great sport about it, but I wanted him to feel like it's, our space. Yeah, but I want you to feel like it's your apartment too, and not like you're living in my apartment. And the focus was to make it very bright and white and light and airy. I felt like before it was kind of just cluttered and dark, and it wasn't a fun space to be in. So we used a lot of white linen, and we also incorporated a lot of plants in here because if you didn't know this, I am a crazy plant lady. Everywhere. I just ordered our 33rd houseplant this morning. So if you guys are interested in my plant collection video and some houseplant care tips, let me know because I would love to film that.
There are so many. So
one of the things that makes this room so special is that we actually built some of the stuff in here ourselves. The end tables on both sides we did from wood that we got from pallets, and then some hairpin legs that we got on Amazon. If you haven't seen, there's actually a DIY video for those. They're super cheap. I think we did the whole thing one table for what, $30 bucks, $35 bucks? They were cheap. I'll link all the products down below, and there's actually a DIY video that we made about how to make these side tables. So if you're interested, I'll leave a card right up here. The magic of video. And then another item that we did ourselves is actually this little industrial plant stand. And there's also a video for this one. So again. And then Matt's desk is from Ikea. We just did the mix and match top and the legs, and he loves it.
Awesome. My battle station.
He plays a lot of video games. We have a couple of little Star Wars touches here. We have this frame that has all of the signatures of people from our wedding. It was kind of a guest book thing. And we were gonna put a wedding photo in it, but we haven't gotten around to printing one, so right now there's a Star Wars poster in there.
Do we have an actual guest book?
Yeah.
The Polaroid guest book?
Yeah.
Did we look through that?
We've
I don't even know where it is.
never looked through it. I do.
Oh
It's in the closet.
Sorry, everyone. What if there's money in it? What if someone was like, I'm going to take a check here?
God, there's no money in it.
Always money in the banana stand.
It's one banana, Michael. What could it be?
$10?
And then we have this Star Wars canvas set over above his desk. So I tried to bring in some elements of...
You like Star Wars too, though.
Oh,
Don't even pin that on me.
No, but I was going to say elements of your old apartment, because they were both in your old apartment. But I freaking love Star Wars. Carrie Fisher is my mother. And then this shelf right up here was made out of planks of wood and brackets from Home Depot, which brings me to my first design tip. If you are buying hardware from Home Depot for shelves, don't go to the shelving section. Go in the hardware section with all the knobs and pulls, because it's way cheaper and I actually like this stuff better. It's just very clean, which I really like. They're really nice. And we also got the solid wood plank instead of buying the particle board shelves, and it was also cheaper and it's way nicer. So pro tip for you. I'm just gonna give you guys videos on videos on videos today. There's actually also a video on my channel about how to style a shelf above your bed. And it shows you what all is on that, and my reasoning behind where I put things. But it's super cute. It's got some Cosbox stuff and some plants.
Of course.
So tip number 2, if you don't go crazy overboard and buy 33 of them like me, plants are a really nice budget way to bring a lot of life into your apartment. They just totally change a space, don't you think? Yeah. The first one we got was a fiddle leaf fig tree from Home Depot, which I will show you in a few moments. And we put it in the living room and I was hooked because it just totally... It felt like it breathed some fresh air into our apartment.
I've never bought any plants in the 5 years I lived here.
They're fairly inexpensive. Some of our favorite places to shop for plants are Home Depot. There are a couple little independent succulent nurseries around here. Orchard Supply Hardware is a good one.
We bought that palm from Ikea.
Ikea, yes. Actually, surprisingly great little plant department. So yeah, that is our bedroom. What is your favorite item in our bedroom?
In our bedroom?
Yeah. Probably your desk.
Probably my desk.
Yeah. That makes sense. We did make that just
It's an
for you.
easy one.
I think I have to go with my little side table just because it was one of the first like furniture DIY projects that we did together. It's really cute. I like it a lot.
Came out okay. We almost got divorced making it, but...
No, we did not. So we're going to move on to the dining room, which houses probably my most favorite. Mm-hmm. My most favoritist piece of furniture in our whole house.
The most expensive piece of furniture in our house.
Okay, but it's because it's from our wedding. It's this gorgeous 8-foot long solid wood table, and it's a piece we'll probably have for 20 years or more. So the next tip is if you're gonna really invest in a piece that you know you're gonna have for a really long time, like we did with the table, you can pair it with a much less expensive accent piece, like we did with these Eames chairs. They're from Amazon. I'll link them down below. It's like less than $100 for a set of 4, I think, and we got 2 sets of them. And I did this because I know that they're kind of a fad right now. I mean, the whole mid-century thing is a little bit of a fad. And I love them, but I know that eventually we're probably going to switch them out, like as design styles change. So we got something to pair with the table that makes it a little bit more topical and like trendy, whereas the table is like a really solid classic piece that we can kind of like mix and match with different chairs depending on like what style is happening, and we'll have it for a really long time. And then above the table is this gallery wall that we put together.
Oh,
I love the gallery wall. It took us a while after we like decided that we were going to put it together to actually do it. But it started when we got the middle piece of the girl holding the like buffalo skull, which we got at a county fair actually.
OC Fair.
The OC Fair, yeah. There was like, there's a big like art exhibition hall, and we really liked it. So we contacted the photographer, who was a high school photographer, and we bought that. And then we kind of balanced it out with a couple of prints from Hobby Lobby. And then the ocean and the eucalyptus are both from Desenio. I love Desenio for prints. They're based in like Switzerland, I think. So they take a little while to ship, but they have some really cool prints.
And then the one that you embroidered.
Oh yeah, and then there's a little embroidery hoop of a little paper airplane that I did based on a design that I saw on Pinterest. And then this like hanging, like, it's like a shadow boxed macrame thing from Target, but it adds some texture and it's pretty cute. Then our kitchen is kind of themed like yellow and light blue. And that came because we had a light blue Keurig and a light blue KitchenAid mixer given to us at our wedding. And yellow is like my favorite color in the world. And so we have like little yellow and blue plant pots, and our towels are yellow. What's that about our kitchen that I can say? It's a kitchen.
That's pretty much it. It's the appliances and the towels.
Yeah. But yeah, I really like baking and cooking, so I wish that we had a bigger kitchen, and that's something that we're really hoping for when we move into a house.
Yeah, we have like no counter space.
Yeah. But it's pretty nice for like being in an apartment. There's like the nice wood soft close cabinets and stuff. Ooh, I also really like our marble utensil holder. That's cute. Then moving on to the living room, which is probably where we hang out the most, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, 50-50 between here, back here, and out there.
So this is where a lot of our plants live, above his big ass TV.
Oh, you said that.
There's a shelf also like this one that we built from Home Depot, but it's longer, and it has a shadow box of all of his special edition
Xbox 360 Halo video game controllers.
And then it's got some plants up there as well. The TV stand that the TV is on is really pretty. That's from Target. And I really like my little record player and my records that are in there. That part makes
Which is
me happy.
also blue.
Which we also got for the wedding, actually.
Really?
Yeah, from Ethan and Gabby.
Oh, yeah.
Our coffee table is like a little lift-up one, and that's from Amazon. Our couches are from Target, and our little marble side table is also from Target-ish, which brings me to my next tip. So if you go to Goodwill, a lot of Goodwills get Target's salvage stuff. So I bought this table. It retails for like $130 or something at Target. Brand new from Goodwill, because like the packaging was damaged or something like that.
I think it's one of the bottom things is like detached from the...
Oh yeah.
And we just never fixed it because it didn't...
It doesn't matter because it just like sits on the frame. But we got it for $30. You can get a deal. We have a lot of things I feel like that we've gotten from Goodwill that are like Target salvage items. These curtains in our bedroom are too.
TV trays.
TV trays.
Which we don't use anymore because the coffee table does the thing.
Yeah. Our little diamond shelf, which we very affectionately call the death diamond.
The death diamond.
Because you sit underneath it and there's like a point that is like boring directly into your head.
We warn our tall friends. Don't sit there, sit next to it.
Yeah. So that's from Hobby Lobby. And then, what else is on that wall? Oh, Seattle poster.
Oh yeah, it's like a minimalist map of downtown Seattle.
Yeah, and that's where he is from, like a little outside of Seattle. And we can see the little square where the CenturyLink Stadium
Seahawks.
is. So that's pretty cute. And then this little reclaimed wood arrow that's from Michael's. So panning around to our console table, also from Amazon. And it has this table runner on it that is from Cosbox. So if you haven't seen my Cosbox review, it's going to be the theme of this video. It's just us pointing at the cards. And then we have a parlor palm and our wine rack on that.
Which is always kept full.
Yeah, it's pretty much always full. Is that bad?
No,
I guess that would be good because it means we're not drinking it so much that it's empty.
Because we buy the 6-packs to save money.
Adulting.
To save money.
And then to the left of that is this big Sansevieria plant that is actually from my great-grandmother, which is super cool. I guess she had one, back in the day. And they split a bunch off and propagated them. There's probably at least 10 plants that are descendants of this plant now. And so my grandparents just gave us one, and I think that's really cute. And it's in a basket from IKEA. And then there is our bar cart, pretty self-explanatory. Pretty much everything on it is from Target because I love Target. And then to the left of that is Matt's display case for all of his video game paraphernalia.
Collectibles. I like collectibles.
I like you.
You're alright. Marriage.
And then going into the bathroom, we have more Home Depot shelves. They have these little baskets on them from Target. I actually got them in the dollar spot and then spray painted them with black chalk paint to make them look a little nicer. And I have just all of my skin/hair care products that I use on a daily basis on there. And then we have some extra towels and a basket full of face masks, which he does with me because he's the sweetest.
Basket. The mask basket. The masket.
The face masket.
Face mask basket. Yeah.
And another little plant, and then we have lots of plants on the windowsill as well. So above the toilet, we have this picture of a vintage camera that's just in this black frame, and we actually found it at Goodwill for $5. That was one of our best Goodwill finds, I think. And then on another wall, we have some of the art that we bought in Santorini on our honeymoon, so that's really special. There's not really much else to say about the bathroom. It's a bathroom. The rugs on the floor are from Target. And that is about it. We also have a guest room, but my best friend is actually currently staying with us. So I don't want to go in and film all of her stuff.
Yeah.
But if you guys want me to do a how to style a guest room video, let me know. Because she is probably not going to be with us too much longer.
Is she dying?
No.
She's no longer with us.
Stop it. But when she's not in there, I'd love to film that for you guys. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We had a ton of fun making it and talking about our little space. I like living with you.
I love you too.
I post new affordable lifestyle videos every Monday and Friday, so...
Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the little bell so you can get notified when she posts a new video.
Good job, baby!
I listen to a lot of this.
As usual, I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you with my next video.
Bye.
Bye.